is Miss Jean Hibbett. This is my true story of how I survived the sinking of the Titanic. I was 16 at the time. I traveled with my mother. I was a first-class passenger. I was on the Titanic because it looked like fun. I felt excited. My first few days were fantastic. I was so excited to be on board. We went to the pool and it was fun. We went out to eat. It tasted good to my mother and me. We played cards. We liked our fancy dinners. We saw some of our friends. I had so much fun with my mom. It was the fourth night on board. We just had a fancy dinner. Suddenly we heard some commotion. A seaman said, "Get your life jackets on." We were scared. We were helped and taken to Lifeboat 4 just in time. My mother and I got into a lifeboat. We were watching the Titanic sink. We were scared. After several hours of waiting, rescue finally came. My mother and I were rescued by the Carpathia. The Carpathia took us home to Chicago. When we were in Chicago, I got married, and then I moved to Evans, Illinois. I will never forget the horrible disaster that happened.